Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link Uno Digital Bank to GCash. So the first step that you have to do is open your GCash, and then from here, go to GSave. So it's this one. And then from here, just go ahead and tap on Open Account. And then look for Uno, so it's this one. Click on that. And then just from here, just go ahead and tap Apply Now. So you want to make sure to click all that and then tap on continue. So in here, you just have to fill out your personal information, and once you're done, just go ahead and tap on continue and then submit your application, and once approved, you will see a confirmation that the Uno account is now linked under the GCash as your Uno Ready GCash account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!